Hey guys, this is Leah with Scott Leroy Marketing, and in today's tip video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page to promote your new mobile app for your clients to download. Okay, so this widget just became available very recently here. Today's date is February 20th, 21st actually. And the reason I say the date is the mobile app has just launched this past week at Family Reunion. And so there are some great marketing tools for you to start promoting your new mobile app right away. One of those being a landing page with a new landing page widget. So let's take a look at how that's done. So first things first, I am logged into Command. Okay, so to log into Command, you would go to agent.kw.com. So again, that's agent.kw.com. You can always pause the video if you're still working on logging in, but then on the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and select the consumer option. Okay, and this just updated the name of this right here. So this used to be sites previously. I have seen some accounts where it's still saying sites, right? But overall, that'll be changing over to the consumer option. Should be the bottom option that's available. So from consumers, it'll take you right to any landing pages that you have currently set up. So if this page is blank for you, no worries. I'll walk you through how to set up a new mobile app landing page. So on the top right here, you'll see it says create a new site. Go ahead and click on that. So we're clicking create a new site on the top right. And then you'll want to select as a standalone page. Okay, the standalone pages here are for are for landing pages specifically, whereas the other option will create a custom page on your agent website. Okay, if you're staring at this video asking yourself, what is a landing page? Great question, all right? So a landing page will be a standalone website that is used to capture leads. So if you have a new listing you want to promote, you can create a listing landing page to promote that new listing, maybe on social media or on your sign as people drive by. Okay, similar concept here for the new mobile app, which I'll be showing you. We're creating a standalone website to promote your mobile app, to get the word out about your mobile app so people can start downloading that right away. So we'll click create page from here. And that will take you on over to edit to the landing page. Now on the top left, first things first, let's go ahead and name this page. So I'll name this mobile app landing page, let's say. Whatever you'd like to name it. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of widgets that you can pull over to your landing page right away. Okay, the widgets are definitely the easiest thing to utilize to create an awesome looking landing page. So to do that on the right-hand side, all you'll do is you'll click on branded header here. So I'll click and hold on the branded header, for example, so you can select any widget. Drag it over to the left-hand side where I'll see a green bar display showing me where I'm dropping that, and just simply release your mouse and it will drop that right away. Okay, if you're seeing any info that is incorrect here, no worries. I'll show you how you can edit that further in just a moment here. So now on the right-hand side, you might have to scroll down slightly, but you'll now see a download my app option. All right, so this is a brand new widget I just saw this week, probably with the release of the app, which makes sense. So I'll click on the download my app option, pull that over to the left-hand side. So again, we see that green bar. So that's showing you where you're dropping it. So if you want to drop it above the previous widget you laid or below it, see how that moves that around. And once I'm happy, I can release my mouse to drop that right away. And now I always like to add a lead capture form. I think it's really important that they can, contact me right from the landing page I'm sending out, since it is to capture leads and all. So that is the lead form. Okay, that's the same thing as a contact form. So I'll click on lead form here, drag and drop that so you can see that green bar again. You can see where I'm dropping it. So I'll release my mouse to drop that. All right, great. So it looks pretty good. I'm pleased with it. But now you'll see on the top right, it does not let you publish the page. See how that's grayed out? Until you configure the widgets. Okay, so you will need, that's probably the most noteworthy moment of this video. Anytime you create a landing page, you always have to configure the widgets in order for you to publish the landing page. So I'll click on Configure Widgets on the very bottom. And I'll bring up any widgets that you have added in, how many there are. All right, and you need to see a green check mark to the right of each widget. So from here, I'll just go ahead and start on the top. So I'm starting on the branded header. Not a whole lot we'll have to do here. So from here, I just need to make sure that all the red asterisks all the fields with red asterisks are filled out. So let's say I want to put a header text, browse from your phone or browse from your couch, whatever it might be. All right, there is only 30 character limit, so you need to get a little creative because it can't be longer than 30 characters. And then you'll click Save and Apply on the bottom right, and you'll see that updates right here. Okay, so if you're not a fan of what you entered in, you can always update it right away and resave it. All right, so once I'm pleased with that, I just look over my info, make sure that's all good to go, and then I'll click on the arrow on the top right. So this arrow on the top right will take me on over to the next widget. All right, so the next two widgets, we don't really have to do anything, but you can. So you can change the headline and this description. You should see your new mobile app URL already displaying. Now this is the same URL as previous. All right, so I didn't mean to say new there, but this is the new mobile app. So there it is. It's grayed out. You cannot edit that. That is pulling from KW command in the consumer section where it shows your app URL. So I'll pull in automatically. There's not a way to change that. So you're good to go. Then click Save and Apply. If you changed anything, we'll click the next arrow on the top right. So I'm on widget 2 of 3. Click on the next arrow, and I'm on 3 of 3. So you can edit that. So interested, let's talk. If you want to change that at all, you are more than welcome to, but I'm good with it. All right, so now I'll go ahead and to the left of the widget name here, I'll click on the back arrow to confirm that all of these are checked off. So all widgets are good. And because these are all checked off, I now have the option to click Publish Page on the top right. All right, it's saying, do I want to make this live, basically, and visible to others? So I'll click Yes. All right, and here it is. So I have that mobile app landing page here. I can see how many leads I've procured from this landing page, when it was created. 3 drop-down dots over here give us the option to edit that, change the URL, deactivate, or delete. Right, but I would always suggest go ahead and click on the link here so you can pull that up. I'll open a new tab. So I can check over everything, guys. Make sure it all looks good. Click all the links here. So I'm going to click on Download App just to make sure that does go to my branded app. It does. I see the agent's name here. Okay, so they can download the branded app right away. All right, just go through, click on everything, make sure it all looks good before actually sending it to your clients. Always a good rule of thumb. All right, and once you've overviewed that, you can go ahead and share this right away. So I could copy this URL. So I can click on it to highlight the whole thing, or like drag the highlight, right? So we can drag the highlight, right click and copy it. I could then go over to my Facebook page, paste in that URL and write some verbiage like, click here to download the brand new mobile app to search thousands of homes from the palm of your hand, okay? Or while sitting on your couch with a beer, okay? Whatever you would like to write. You can paste in that URL, post it to your Facebook to start driving traffic to your new mobile app, okay? You can also email that out or whatever you'd like to do with it. All right, guys, so that is how you create a mobile app landing page. Right, so just a few easy steps to start promoting your new app right away. If you have any questions at all on that, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com. All right, guys, have a great one.